Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for clicking this video. In today's video we're going to make crispy chips, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So with me here I have this is like 1.5 kg potatoes that we're going to use to make our chips. So let's start preparing them, and then we go to another step. So guys, tumemaliza kutayarisha hivi, and now we are washing our potatoes. It's rain season, so the potatoes are coming with a lot of mud from the farm. That is why they are looking like this, but that does not stop us from eating potatoes. And you are watching this. Happy Easter. It's Easter season.
It's Easter season. Do you want a conspiracy?
You don't want.
So if you wanted a conspiracy, I would ask you why in Easter do some companies put eggs which are colored in the Happy Easter wishes on their social media pages? Do you want a conspiracy theory?
If you know, comment down there. We will go through the comment section. Now
so
we have
let's
a
go
discussion.
to our cooking chips maneno.
Tuachane na maneno ya mayai. Okay guys, so if you don't have a machine, remember this is a homemade crispy chips, and most of our homes we don't have those machines to divide chips. If you have, that is better for you. For us, we don't have, and we're doing this video for anyone manyako even in the remote areas. So let's start. You divide this way, and baby here is the master of dividing this. Here he did it so well.
Even they want to see my method.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's going to show you too.
I'm going to show you also how I do the dividing.
His chips comes out very perfectly in terms of this size, but not in terms of frying them. Me ndo master wa fry. I am the master of frying them. He's the master of dividing them.
Let me show them.
It's a turn now.
I wash my hands.
Yeah.
I grab a piece, then I cut into half and into quarters.
You see guys?
Then I cut again here. The first quarter I cut it into half.
Take notes.
Half. then I cut it this way.
Guys, you will think it's a machine, Aki. Yeah.
Cut it.
Systematic. You see?
Then that's how I do it.
Very perfect.
Again. Half. Another quarter. I cut in the quarters into half. Then I turn it. I cut on this side.
You see guys?
Then you see.
Very perfect. Like those of machines. Wow. You need to take some notes.
Even you.
Even me, but I am trying currently.
Yeah.
Let's go perfect. I will go to another step, maybe ya to fry them and adding some spices, salt. So guys, this is the final result after we have separated. As you can see, where baby is smart.
This
actually
is not mine.
You can separate his and mine.
This is mine.
But we are not eating the shell.
We are not eating shell, we are eating them. So that is how you produce machine like.
So
this is how we produce machine like chips.
Yeah. So
let's go to the next step.
The next step is mine, guys. So let me come with my spices and my salt. Currently I'm having a lot of spices here. So I have salt here. Pilau masala nini slaps very nice in chips if you
and in fish.
And in fish, and then beef masala too slaps so nice in chips, guys. Try it. And in tagas.
No, I confused. Garlic slaps well in chips. In fish.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Oh, garlic. The real. Oh, understand. My baby is not coming from coast. I am the coastarian here. He's from Central. But a Central kwanza wapikangi na spices, guys. Don't come for me. I will cut that part. And then you add your beef masala. If you have chili masala, if you have any masala of your type that you like, well, you see how it turns out. But baby, do you know ukiweka pilau masala kwa fish inakuwa tamu? You remember ile siku?
Nakumbuka.
That hiyo ilikuwa basi nimeweka pilau masala. Imagine, you know, pilau masala has that nice aroma. Inaweka kwa samaki. So that way, and then you start tossing, guys. These spices also help the chips to be more crispy. They look too nice. Yeah. Okay. So let's go now to the next step. We are going to put on our fire and start doing our magic. Sasa it's time to put oil. We don't have a frying pan. We use this sufuria to fry our chips, and it turns out very nice. This has to go for a whole month.
That's 5 days.
Is it that 5 or 32? Yeah. So now so guys, we want our oil to be more hot, and then we will reduce small. We add our chips.
What are you doing?
Now I am preparing somewhere where I will put my chips. But before we continue here, let's go back here. Our oil is ready, guys, as you can see, very, very hot. It's even boiling. 1, 2, go. Let's do this. And then you mix it this way. Look at how they are very, very nice. They look like those of made by machines. You add your motor. So guys, I was saying that one secret when making crispy chips is that the heat. Make sure the heat is at the fullest, because once the chips, I don't know how to kuelezea in English, once the chips have what? Zimenyonya mafuta, when they have a low heat, they will utazitoa zikiwa na mafuta. But when it has a lot of, ikiwa na moto mingi, zinaiva zinaacha mafuta, unazitoa, you add another one. Okay? So me here, I am preparing somewhere. This is where I'm going to put my chips. Don't laugh. If you laugh, I block you. This is Africanism. You do this. You put your chips here. This carton helps kunyonya the mafuta that imetoka na chips. Put it aside. It has the finiko. Finiko yes, so that is where I'm going to put my chips. And then while my chips is getting ready there, I want to make my kachumbari. Don't turn your chips when you are making them. Zisivunjike, just give them time to keep kuiva. So guys, the first round chips is ready. As you can see, very crispy, and they have not broke. I'm gonna break. Yes, they have not break. So me here, I am removing the first batch. Thank you. And then I am doing this to help remove also the oil. And then I am putting here. Yeah, you can see, guys, for yourself, this is not wachocha. This is my style. See how crispy they are. Just by their look. And also you can show them the level of heat. Yeah, you see the level of heat too. Can't wait to enjoy. Hey, babe, lazima enjoy. We are putting the the second batch. Be very careful here. The oil is very, very heat. Kwaje?
Kama ya nene.
Crunchy. The chumvi is not enough. Basi poa.
So guys, it starts very well. So we have come to the end of this vlog.
Yes. Don't mind where I am. I am behind the camera, guys.
So let me finish this one.
Guys, he wants to finish it and then send on it because then that cannot happen. So I am here, and we want to enjoy this delicious meal. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and
Watch our next video
here,
and subscribe if you have not.
yeah, see
Till
you
next
on-
time.
Bye.